In a world where gravity seems like a mere suggestion, a 318-ton transformer creeps through Dover's streets while Brazil's mammoth double-stack trains stretch across the horizon. These are the stories of loads so extraordinary, entire cities must reshape themselves and can turn a 5-day journey into a 2-month odyssey. Let's dive into the world of extreme transport, where every inch forward is a victory and impossible is just another challenge to overcome. Collosal Frezer Box. A remarkable convoy is making its way through southeastern Ohio, carrying critical components for America's semiconductor future. These massive cold boxes, key parts of air separation units, are embarking on an extraordinary journey from Adams County to Intel's new facility in Licking County. The scale of this operation defies belief. A 408-ton load stretching 85 meters in length wins its way through Ohio's roadways. These vital machines will serve a crucial purpose, distilling air into oxygen, nitrogen, and argon, essential elements in the manufacturing of computer chips. The transport demands unprecedented coordination. Along US 23 in Waverly, utility crews orchestrate a complex dance of raising power lines and traffic lights, creating clear passage for these towering loads. These cold boxes represent more than just massive cargo. They're fundamental components of Intel's sustainability strategy, enabling on-site gas production for the semiconductor manufacturing process. This monumental transport operation marks a significant milestone in the development of domestic chip manufacturing capabilities, bringing essential infrastructure to power the next generation of technology. The Shea-Murtaugh Beam Team, a high-stakes logistics operation unfolded on British roads as 7 colossal pre-stressed concrete beams made their journey to the Cray Bridge site. Each of these engineering titans stretched 24.7 meters in length and weighed a staggering 26 tons, demanding precise coordination and specialized transport equipment. The massive concrete beams required expert handling as they navigated their way through the UK's road network toward Perth and Kinross. Upon reaching their destination, these monumental structures encountered their final challenge, a carefully choreographed lift by a 250-ton crane that precisely positioned each beam into its final resting place. This intricate transport and installation operation showcased the pinnacle of heavy haulage capabilities, moving over 182 tons of crucial infrastructure components that would form the foundation of the new 6-meter-wide bridge deck. Colette's 9-day tank challenge. A monumental 185-kilometer journey across Britain saw 4 massive storage tanks navigate from Ellesmere to Coleshill. 3 of these industrial giants stretched 40 meters in length, with a 4th measuring 29 meters. Together, they presented a staggering combined weight of 490 tons. Over 36 days, this exceptional convoy threaded its way through an intricate maze of Britain's infrastructure. The route demanded precision navigation of motorways, industrial zones, busy city centers, and quiet residential streets. Each segment of the journey had been meticulously mapped out months in advance, accounting for every turn, bridge, and potential obstacle. The operation stands as one of Britain's most complex heavy transport projects, demonstrating the intense planning and execution required to move extraordinary cargo through diverse urban and rural landscapes. From crowded city streets to open highways, these massive tanks carved a path through the heart of the country, marking a triumph of modern logistics engineering. South Africa's most abnormal load. In the heart of South Africa, a historic transport operation unfolded, one that pushed the boundaries of what's possible on national roads. A colossal load, stretching 15.8 meters wide and towering 17.5 meters high with its trailer, made its way through the country's infrastructure. At 70 tons, this behemoth demanded unprecedented logistics and planning. The preparation spanned 3 months, involving a complex web of coordination. Every detail required meticulous attention, from power line considerations to traffic light removal. The route itself needed transformation. Trees were strategically trimmed or removed, and custom bypasses were constructed to navigate around immovable obstacles. This wasn't just another heavy transport. It was a feat of engineering that transformed South Africa's roads into a carefully orchestrated pathway, demonstrating what's possible when innovation meets determination. This is the story of one of the largest loads ever transported on South African national roads, Mansinene 300 delivery. A groundbreaking moment in maritime history unfolded in Belgian ports as two massive Mansinene 300 hydraulic cranes arrived at Antwerpen and Ghent. These engineering marvels, weighing a staggering 800,000 kilograms, made their journey from Finland fully assembled aboard a specialized ro-ro vessel. These titans of industry stand as the world's largest hydraulic cranes, revolutionizing the handling of Panamax-sized vessels. Despite their enormous scale, they execute operations with the speed and precision of smaller machines, setting new standards in port efficiency. At their core, these machines feature the revolutionary Hybrilift system, a patented energy-saving technology that slashes power consumption by up to 50%. This breakthrough transforms how bulk materials are handled at major ports, challenging traditional wire rope crane operations with unmatched work cycles and industry-leading productivity. These technological giants mark a new era in maritime logistics.
Oh, not good. Oh boy, here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh.
243-ton vibration block, a groundbreaking moment in heavy machinery transport, unfolded at the Bremen Machinery Facility in Genemuiden. The focus, the triple CV 320 VLTU, standing as the largest vibro for upend ever constructed in company history. This engineering marvel didn't stay long at its birthplace. The massive vibro lifting tool with upending capabilities was swiftly mobilized and loaded onto a coaster vessel, setting course for its next destination, Vlissingen. The operation marked a significant milestone in industrial lifting technology, showcasing the evolution of specialized maritime construction equipment. The successful loadout demonstrated the expanding capabilities in modern heavy lifting operations, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable in maritime construction equipment. Huge tube transportation. A monumental transport operation in the Czech Republic has turned into an extraordinary saga. What should have been a 5-day journey from Přerov to Mělník has evolved into a 2-month odyssey, repeatedly halted by winter's fury. The cargo, massive cement plant components bound for Dubai, stands as a testament to the challenges of extreme logistics. At 24 meters long, 7.35 meters high, and weighing 137 tons, this behemoth can only traverse secondary and tertiary roads, making it uniquely vulnerable to weather conditions. The convoy's specifications force it to avoid highways and main roads entirely. No bridges can be passed under, no railway corridors crossed. Even with a dedicated fleet of snowplows and spreaders, nature proves a formidable adversary. The transport's exceptional height requires power lines to be lifted, demanding complete power shutdowns along its path. Villages along the route must endure complete electrical blackouts during passage. Traffic lights are dismantled, communication lines are temporarily disabled. When weather halts progress, a complex chain of bureaucratic approvals must restart, from ministry permissions to utility company schedules, enforcing month-long delays between attempts. What was meant to be a 350-kilometer journey to its port of departure has become an unprecedented challenge in heavy transport history. Transformer load at walking pace. Through the streets of Dover, a colossal 318-ton electricity transformer made its way along the B2011 Folkestone Road. This mammoth piece of infrastructure, moving at walking pace under police escort, commanded attention as it navigated its careful journey toward its final destination, a substation at Sellinge, situated between Ashford and Folkestone. The sheer scale of this abnormal load required precise coordination, transforming ordinary roads into a pathway for one of the heaviest loads to ever traverse Dover's streets. Each meter of progress represented a feat of logistics and engineering, as this vital piece of power infrastructure, made its deliberate journey through the heart of Kent. The transport operation showcased the intricate dance between engineering and urban infrastructure. At a weight equivalent to 45 adult African elephants, this transformer's journey required meticulous planning to protect road surfaces, navigate urban obstacles, and maintain public safety. The operation stands as a testament to modern logistics capabilities, demonstrating how crucial power infrastructure moves through populated areas on its way to strengthening the regional power grid. The most impressive train in Brazil. A revolutionary chapter in Brazilian rail transport unfolds with the double-stack container train service, connecting Sumaré SP to Rondonópolis MT. Since its inaugural journey on June 19, 2019, these mammoth trains have transformed the landscape of Brazilian freight transport. Each train stretches over 70 wagons long, with individual wagons capable of hauling up to 99 tons. The innovative stacking configuration allows for multiple container combinations. The lower level accommodates either one 40-foot or two 20-foot containers, while the upper level can carry containers ranging from 40 to 53 feet. This engineering marvel equals the capacity of 140 trucks, dramatically reducing road congestion and environmental impact through superior energy efficiency. The service currently operates between Sumaré and Rondonópolis, with planned expansion to the newly opened North-South Railway, where new terminals continue to emerge monthly. These double-stack giants stand as symbols of Brazil's railway renaissance, marking a significant advance in the nation's freight transport capabilities. As the network expands along the North-South Railway, these trains are setting new standards for efficient, environmentally conscious cargo movement across Brazil's vast territory. Water tanks rolling up mountains. A remarkable transport operation saw massive Westec water tanks, each holding 197,000 liters, navigate their way from Lima's industrial heart to high-altitude mining operations. The colossal tanks embarked on a 7-night journey through Lima's city center, carefully threading through urban infrastructure under cover of darkness. But the urban passage was just the beginning. The tanks then faced an incredible ascent, climbing to dizzying heights of 4,500 meters above sea level. This extraordinary logistics operation combined the challenges of urban transport with the demands of high-altitude mountain navigation, marking one of Peru's most ambitious heavy transport projects. From sea level to nearly the height of Peru's tallest peaks, these industrial giants completed a journey that showcased the extremes of modern heavy transport capabilities. The operation stands as a testament to the possibilities of moving massive infrastructure through both crowded cityscapes and challenging mountain terrain. Massive transformer on muddy roads. In treacherous conditions, a massive transformer transport operation pushed the limits of heavy haulage capabilities. The 190-ton transformer required extraordinary measures. 3 powerful trucks at the front, working in perfect synchronization, while a 4th truck pushed from behind. Together, this convoy reached a staggering total weight of 400 tons. The real challenge came from the rain-soaked terrain. Through muddy roads that threatened to trap the massive load, this 4-truck configuration fought for every meter of progress. The coordinated power of 3 lead trucks pulling and 1 pusher truck behind demonstrated the raw force needed to move such extreme cargo through adverse conditions. Oversized drum sections. A remarkable intercontinental transport operation saw 2 massive drum sections make their way from Shanghai to Golbe's pulp and paper facility. These industrial giants, stretching 32 meters in length, 5.6 meters in width, and towering 5.7 meters high, embarked on an extraordinary journey across sea and land. The operation began at Shanghai's port, where the drums were loaded onto the MV Annie. After crossing oceans to Antwerp, Belgium, the cargo underwent crucial modifications with the installation of a specialized cable guiding system. The journey continued to France's port of Frouard, but the most challenging leg lay ahead. The final stretch to Golby demanded unprecedented logistics innovation. The complex route through Luneville's narrow streets required a remarkable engineering solution. The drums were transferred from conventional transporters to self-propelled modular trailers, enabling navigation through the town's tight turns. This extraordinary project, 2.5 years in the making, showcased the heights of modern transport engineering. Every turn was meticulously mapped, every obstacle analyzed, creating a masterpiece of logistics that spanned continents and pushed the boundaries of what's possible in heavy cargo transportation. And yet, these colossal moves are just the beginning. As our world builds bigger, reaches higher, and dreams larger, today's impossible loads become tomorrow's routine transports. Because in this industry, every successful delivery, every conquered mountain pass, and every navigated city street pushes the boundaries of what we think possible. The question isn't whether we can move something, it's simply figuring out how. Make sure to watch our next videos to witness even more extreme heavy hauls and vehicles.